So anyhow, let's get start writing. So the array program, I'm just telling it, it's not correct. You have to modify that. So, okay. So the next program is we have to find out all the substring of given string. So write a program to find out all substrings of given string. So public static void to find substrings. Find substrings. So this is the so you find the length or you can use so whatever you want. First step is you can find the length str dot length. So then iterate to all the starting points. Okay, so outer for loop. So iterate all the starting points. So for int I equal to 0 and I less than. So you can put n till last, right? You have to iterate it. And so then take a inner for loop to iterate the end points. So that is also another second one for loop. To iterate int j equal to I plus 1. And j, so less than or equal to n and j plus plus. So then you can just do a substring. So from index I to z, so print all substrings from index I to z. Just use so print method, and maybe I'll directly use str dot substring of so begin index, end index. The begin index is I, end index is z. That's it. See, a substring is so many times we are calling. For example, you are giving, simply you take the ABC. Just take any string, not a problem. See, these are all first. A is also one substring. AB, ABC, ABCA, ABCAB, ABCABC. Again, it starts with the second letter. BC, BC, ABC, B, BC, ABC, C, then CA, CAB, CABC. See, so it like that, all the letters you are covering. So that's all the substrings, how to find out for any given string. Simple, 2 for loops you can remember and call the substring method and pass this I value and j value. So very simple program and you can try it out. So that's one program. And one more program. So I faced this program in the interviews. So you need to find out in the given string, which one is max one? Which one is the max one you need to find out. So that is the one program is there. Another program, you have to expand the given string. Suppose you have a string like this, right? So expand the given string. So like you have a string s equal to, you have like this, a1, then b2. It is in compressed, right? Compressed format, and t2. So you have to expand this output. We should get like this. The output is a hyphen bb hyphen cccc hyphen ttt. So this is the output you see here. So the number before whatever the character is, that should come, and the number place you should get this hyphen. So then B2. So that means 2 should come twice. C should come 4 times. And T should come twice. So basically, whatever the number after the character, that many times we have to iterate and append that character. So this is the one program we need to do, and also vice versa. So they will give like this, okay? They will give like this, and you need to compress it like this. So that is another program also we can try it out. So let's do this first. How can we do this? So you have a concept to extract the number from the given string. You have to extract. So then only you can do that. Otherwise, we cannot do this, right? So how can we extract that? First, you iterate the entire string and get each character. If that character is a digit, and you get the numeric value. So that's very simple. So that numeric value, you get it, and then loop it. That many times you append that character, and then add that many times these hyphens you need to add. So keep adding that, and then convert this all you need to add it to a string buffer class or string builder classes. So this is the one we can try it out. Let's try this. And also this many times asked in the interviews. Static void compress compress string expansion, right? A string expand. So you are expanding basically string str. Basically all say parameter we are taking, and we are writing the parameterized method, so that you can call this method for any string. So that is the main. So first create object for string builder. String builder, and string builder is be equal to new string builder. So for okay. So now we can first iterate the string, right? Iterate the string. So Iterating is always a for loop. You don't need to worry about that. Str dot length and the first character to last character iterate and increment that. So this is a common logic. So by this time you will get it easily and get each character. Okay. So how can you get each character? Char c equal to, so str dot caret of, so I, caret of I. So then you can just use this. So check if this character is a number or alphabet. How do you check that? So there is a character class. And in the character class, we have seen a lot of methods. Is digit method is there. Take that is digit method and pass this character. So it will tell if it is a number, okay, and get that numeric value from the same character class. And int, you can put a number. So character dot get, so numeric value, get numeric value. So that C numeric value you need to get it. So it will get the numeric value for us. So once you get this, so you iterate it. Iterate that many times. So that many times you iterate it. Now iterate. Iterate the, no. So iterate a number times. So into j you can put and for loop. So j equal to 0, j less than number, right? J plus plus. So this is the one. Okay. And then, so we can put that is, so you can add, right? You can add each that character, append, and so s dot caret of. So I need to str, right? Str dot caret of. So what character we want? This before, right? So I minus 1, you do that. So just do the I minus 1. That's it. So you will get that, and that character will be appended this many number of times. So that is the simple logic. We need to build it. Okay. Once we did that, then you need to add after appending the character, you need to add hyphen, right? For that hyphen, so just write add the hyphen, that is hyphen, right? Add the hyphen. So after character appendage. SB dot append. No. So we have to, how many times you have to append? So that is also important, right? Anyhow, let me add first, okay? I'll tell that how many times you need to append. So after many times are less than, so if condition you write, if I plus 2 is less than str dot length, until that you have to iterate this, all the till the last length of that string, you have to iterate this. So this is the one you have to do. Then you convert this string builder into toString method. So you call the toString method to convert it. So I'll just do last. So before ending the method, that you can do that. So string builder convert into string. So SB dot toString. Just do the toString. Now call this. So you give the same string, whatever it is. This is the best example, but this is the only we got it from there. And then so 2 times I got the same. This, right? Oh, hyphen we're getting twice. Right? This is we're getting hyphen twice. Okay. 1 minute. What is the mistake? Value. The loop, I think this is wrong. Okay, this I no, it should be inside the loop only. Here only. This is the correct place. Because this loop is the top loop. This one is this one, and this one is here, the for loop, the top for loop. So there we are taking the I. So I plus 2. Why I'm taking I plus 2 is because, so let's debug this, okay? So let's debug. Why I'm taking I plus 2 is, see this one, 2 characters after you need to add here. That is the reason I'm taking. But so 2 times you are getting, let's fix this by running in debug mode. That's the only option, right? You can try all this, comment out all this. And comment. Go to that. Simple. I know that's the easiest way. Okay. So why do we need this? So many. Okay, so this is the one. Let's run in debug mode. So then only we can figure it out, right? Otherwise we cannot figure it out. Step into that. So step into means you are stepping into the method. So then step over, next one. You can see we got a string A1, B2, that one. And the first one is you got I, so character is A you are getting. So no issues in that. So it's not a digit. So it will go here and I value is 0. And this will become a false, right? I0 2 less than length. It's coming. Okay. It appended. So now it is 1. So it is a digit. Comes here. And first one only. Yeah. Okay. So now it is 1. 1 time only it has to iterate. 0 less than 1 time. So the I minus 1 means, so now current I value is 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. So you are getting 0 point A. So the A will append here. So let's append A there. A is going to append. So it will become false and it came here. So once it came here, now, so I value 1 plus 2, 3, 3 less than the length. So the length is true. So added. So hyphen added. Okay, fine. Now, so I value 2, but it's a now character B. So it's not. So it will add now one more it is adding. Okay. So one time added, this character is coming and added. Second time also it is coming here. Okay. This should not come here again. This should not come here because so one more hyphen is adding. So what we can do, let me declare this outside so that I can use even outside also. I don't want to loop it. One time is enough for me. Just one time is enough for me. I don't want this repeating multiple times. Okay. So let me stop it and run it. Oh, now it didn't. It should be in the loop only. Okay, but twice why it is getting length. If it is not digit, I think we should skip this. Let me write. So if the character is not digit, otherwise I can write here itself, right? B dot append. So outside of this for loop, one time, just simple one time. That's it. So let's comment out this. Yeah, so this is how we how to make a lot of changes while when what is missing, semicolon. Perfect. You got it. But this one extra you got it, right? This one we can replace it. The last one you can replace it. So maybe I can do that. Dot replace the last one. I have to replace the last one, right? Maybe hyphen. So then, so with this, the position I need to provide is b dot. Okay, so let me refine here also. So we can do sb dot insert. The insert method, what is that? What it is saying? So insert method, it will give you sb dot length -1. That's it. So solved. So you don't need of this thing. for converting, I'll do here. Then you can convert into, yeah. I hope this will solve. Why didn't insert this one? Replace p dot length -1, and I need to insert this. So what is insert parameters? Offset and string only. The offset position I have given, the last element, inserting this. That's correct only. Let me print this after. What is SP? So what there is a replace also. We can use a replace. Say start and end index we can give. The start one is this one, and end index is sb dot length, and we want to give that. And this is also best way. So other than all this, right? Perfect. So these are all methods. If you know methods, and it's very easy. If you don't know the methods, and this is going to be very difficult for us. Basically refining the string and getting the required one. That's the only thing. Other than that, nothing. Okay. So this is the best approach. See, we can solve like that. Even in the interviews also, you try different ways. That really helps you, and they can assume that, oh, you're doing good, right? You're doing really great. So I can convert into string. I can remove all other things. Okay, so we have almost so another 10 minutes. Let's do another thing. So you have an input similar, quite right. You need to, so it is in an expanded way they are going to give. Okay, and you have to write. Yeah, I think that I can tell in the collections. So map is no easy. That's going to be very easy. I'll tell in the map that one otherwise. So that is the best way. Let me do with map. The other program vice versa. You can take same way. This one, right? So you have taken this. So how can we count this? These many numbers here. It is now A is 1, and you remove this B 2, C 4, T 2, like that. You have to count and append the number there. How can you do that? That we'll do with so another once you have a collections is very important for us. Next program, more programs. Let me think. Okay, so how to find unique characters, right? How can you find unique characters, right? What is mean by unique characters? So your string should have the character, whatever the character in the string, it should have only one type. That is the next method. Why we can create another method here. So directly. Simply, quickly, we'll finish this. So write a program to find or to check. So given string has unique characters. Unique characters. So let's try this, okay? String. So you can take any thing. My Java learning. Is this unique? No, right? A is repeating and it's not unique. So that's why it should, your method should return false. So your method should return true or false. If it is unique, true. If it is not unique, return false. So first, create the method public static boolean uh, has unique characters. In string, I can put a string str. The first step is assume you have a ASCII characters. So you create an array first, integer array. So that is create. So integer array int. So you can put a char counts. So new int. You can give the size 256 characters, right? Total. So that many characters are there. This is the length you can give. Now you to iterate this string with a for each loop. So iterate the string with a for each loop. So for, so bracket the, so this, so I can convert that string into character array, str dot to char array. So str dot to char array, and you can check, right? You can check. So the character count and that if it is available, and you can write. So that char count. So you just increment that if it is already available. So if that character count is greater than 1, right? So this character count is so greater than 1. Is greater than 1. So you return the false. So otherwise return true. That's it. So you can take any string. What is the string we have taken? Example here. My Java learning, right? You can give that. Let's see if it is returning true or false. Oh, we didn't call the method. Yeah. So let me call this method, okay? Bit surprised why it is printing my Java learning. So you can try one more also by just giving the unique characters. Maybe learning is one, right? Unique. So there is no duplicates. Oh, n is learn. We'll put only learn. So now this is the unique. It should one. This should return false. This should return true. See, this is the false and this is the true. So this is how you can check characters are true or false. Unique characters are there in the given string. So that's it. And so we'll meet tomorrow. So